Hello everyone.
Hello,
Namaste.
everyone.
Hello.
Namaste.
Yes. What are we going to do today?
Unboxing this iMAC.
iMAC. Are we excited?
Yes.
The kids are excited. I'm excited as well. Today we are gonna unboxing this brand new iMac 2020. If you have already watched iMac unboxing videos before, it's gonna be almost the same because the packaging and the design of the computer is gonna be still the same, but obviously new model with new feature. So this one is iMac 2020. We just bought it from Corey's PC World yesterday. So it's just been delivered. So we're gonna go through all the unboxing. So at the moment, we know, before I unbox it, before I open the box up, let me tell you what's inside, what I expect inside. Obviously there is a new iMac 2020 PC monitor with a 4K Retina display screen. That's a new feature. And one Magic Keyboard, one Magic Mouse, power cable, and other accessories. Right, without any further ado, let's open this box. Okay, Tasmi, can you give me the scissors, please?
Of course.
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready to do it, guys?
Yep. Slip it.
Let's cut it. Let's cut it. Let's cut it.
Yay.
Right. Okay. Can you go? This, and let's drop this down. And what is it?
An iMac.
Wow! Look at that.
It's huge.
It's huge. It's nice as well, isn't it?
Yes.
Alright, this is the inside box. We're gonna open that inside box. I think Vision is tired of this video, so he's out from the frame. So okay, probably he start playing the game now. But Tasmi and me continue doing this video. Alright, Taz?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, right.
Oh, so huge.
Yeah. We need this box, just in case. Obviously, at the moment this is trash, but we might need it in future because Apple computers, not only computer, any Apple product has got a good resale value. At the moment, if you go Amazon, there is a like 2015-16 iMac still going on for sale.
Yep.
The price of 700-800 pounds. So these are good resale value. So keep the packaging probably in your garage or somewhere, and in future when you want to sell it or if you want to exchange it for a newer model, latest model, we might need this boxing, this packaging. So don't chuck it in a bin. Keep it somewhere safe. Okay. You got it, Taz? Oh yeah. That's it. Let's do it. That's it. That's me got it.
Another box.
Let's see. Look, that's the computer now.
Okay, the
Alright.
computer's gonna be like the PC's.
Now, right. This
Is
must be what? This must be our keyboard. Let's see.
probably.
This is the keyboard. I
Let's
think.
unbox it.
Yeah. Let's take it out.
Wait. Probably
it?
it's
Can I do it, Taz?
Wait, probably here. Oh, it's a keyboard.
Yeah. Oh, it's just simple. Very simple. Look. Right. That's
Whoa.
how that. And that's the keyboard.
Wow.
Look, guys. This is keyboard.
Let's
Just take it out.
take off the thing.
Okay. Take off the thing. That's it. Show it to the camera, Taz.
There is the keyboard of
then-
iMac.
Magic keyboard, Taz. It's
The
not only
magic
it's a
keyboard.
magic keyboard. Let's see whether it does the magic or not. But that is magic keyboard.
Oh, there's a charger.
That's a charger.
An Apple
Okay.
charger.
That's a charger. What is this?
So
Okay, this is the
here's the Apple charger.
charger. This is logo. If you fancy logo sticking up somewhere.
Yep.
So, and that's very useful thing. Do you know what is that does? This is to clean your screen.
Oh
So,
yeah.
Cleaner. Wipe your screen. Yeah. So let's put this.
Oh, what is this?
What is this, Taz?
Alright, let's just. I feel like it's
is, look, you,
a remote?
no,
What?
that's a mouse,
Oh.
magic mouse.
A
Look, this is magic
mouse.
mouse. Okay?
So it's a mouse.
Yeah, so that's a magic
Here's
mouse.
the mouse, guys.
Okay, and
Oh, it actually
is
clicks.
our power, no, not power cable, this is a charger.
Charger.
Yeah, that's that.
Yep.
Now, what do we do? Let's
unbox
take it out. Keep it somewhere.
And here's the iMac.
And look at this, guys.
Oh,
Our brand new iMac.
Um,
Okay, what's in there? In the back.
in the
Must
back.
be power cable. This is a power cable.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now
Moment of truth.
this is moment of truth. Yeah.
Yep.
The truth is revealing. Be gentle with this as well, okay, Tas?
Okay.
Alright, we just pull it out.
Oh.
Pull it up. That's it.
Revealed.
That's it. So, look at this, guys. Our brand new iMac 2020.
Yep.
Okay.
Ta-da! And here is the actual iMac.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
There you go. So that's our new iMac 2020. Is there anything? Yeah, that's that. That goes in a bin as well.
Yep.
Alright, guys. Look at this. Look, you can tilt up, tilt down
Yep.
in your preferred position. So
Okay.
this is fantastic. But now it's time to set it up, the initial setup. So I'm gonna transfer this computer, this iMac 2020, to my computer desk,
Yep.
and we're gonna do it there. We're gonna do the initial setup in there. It's very easy to transfer. You just lift it up like this, and then we go to our computer desk. Okay, thank you everyone for watching our video. Our unboxing and the initial setup has been completed. As you can see, our new iMac is all ready to use. For your information, next couple of weeks, I'm gonna bring in my honest review of this iMac 2020. I will also talk about why did I decided to buy this computer now, whether it's worth the money I paid for it, etc. as well. So guys, if you don't want to miss my iMac 2020 review in near future, please do subscribe now and keep on watching this space. And also please do let me know whether you like this video or not. Please comment down below whether this is any help for any of you. Please let me know, guys. For now, Thank you very much for watching. Obviously, we all are going in very difficult situation at the moment. The COVID-19 situation is going out of control at the moment, especially in UK and Europe. So please guys, stay safe wherever you are, keep the distance and be extra vigilant to be safe for yourself and other